So hello, my name is Ingo Dombrovski. I'm with Robe Lighting. I'm the key account manager for Europe, and I would like to show you one of our products that we're featuring here on the show, and this is the Robe ESPRITE. So what's very new with this one, it is a white LED source, one source spot. And while my colleague Thomas is stepping through the features, they've zoomed in between 5.5 and 46, I think, 49 degrees. I'll tell you a little bit about the philosophy about the light. This very special thing with this one is we have a transferable engine. So many people think LEDs will last forever and will not change, what is absolutely not true. So we wanted to make this the highest quality light source you can have, so there is no way around to have a transferable engine. So whatever the quality changes of the LEDs, then you can change the LED. So you will always have this fantastic colors that you see at the moment in the background. You will always have the highest CRI that you want to have. So it will always be the same like the other lights that you have in your inventory. And changing the LED source means not a major investment. It's done by 8 screws and 2 plugs. Very easy to be done. And the color mixing that you see here in the very back now is so very even because we integrated the color mixing actually into the light source. So others have to put it in front of it. As we are producing everything, the complete light, and not only put something in front of the light source. That's why we can integrate everything into one thing. Okay, of course we have gobos as well in there, rotating and fixed gobos. And on top of that we will see a little later. So there is a special glass gobo, so different points where to fix it. On top of that you can of course apply a prism to get these nice multicolor effects together with a color wheel with split color. And then it's the animation wheel that we're applying here. And we have a nice framing shutter system in there. Now showing you that we can do every kind of a shape. So triangles, but in practical work, it's more important that you have the trapezoid shapes. So here we have 2 frosts in there, so a light frost and a heavy frost, and you can put them on top of each other, of course, as well, to have those nice blurred interfaces. Of course, we have an iris as well in there, and after this, we are showing the dimmer. Of course, we have a very, very smooth dimming. We call it the L3 technology, so it is very smooth and it's a square law curve. So this will satisfy, I think, the biggest demand of dimmers that you could have. Yeah, so that's it basically. We're talking about this product. If you want more details about it, look at our websites, www.robe.cz. Thank you.